So we're just about to start this build of this M Factory 20 plate LSD into this E46 differential housing. So this differential will be set up for track use, so we'll be running a tarmac and circuit race configured LSD. So you can see here now we're just taking the LSD apart, ready for it to be configured to those required settings. So we're just now installing everything back into the case, just putting in the preload springs there and the shims in order to set the required breakaway torque of the actual LSD. So you can see now we're just installing the clutch pack, and now the top hat goes on. We'll now be taking a measurement to check the breakaway torque, which is what we're doing here now. And now once the LSD is complete, we now move on to the case. You can see here we've got an arrangement of all different assorted shims there for the pinion, because we will be changing from a 315 to a 3.73 gear set. So you can see there we just installed the bearing races into the case with also the basic settings shim that we'll be using. Just about to put the pinion in there now. So now the pinion is in the case. We'll now be setting up the pinion depth. So in order to get the required pinion depth, we'll be using this tool. Now we've got the pinion depth set up, we will now be torquing up the crown gear there. You can see onto the LSD, and the bearings have been installed. We are now checking bearing preload and doing a gear marking check, just to check to make sure the gear is running correctly. New seals installed, and now the input flange goes on. The side seal, and now we're getting pretty close to a completed diff. So that's the diff now all built up. Just now to put the rear case on, and then that's pretty much the differential completed. So that's it, E46 330 Ci with 3.73 ratio and M Factory 20 plate LSD.